Mga ka-winners, dito naman tayo sa UP Diliman para suportahan si Coach Romel Rasmo, UP Cebu. Let's go! Finals ng Inter-UP. UP Fighting Maroons versus UP Cebu. Grabe, ang ganda ng UP Varsity Training Center. Dito nagpa-practice ang men's and women's basketball ng UP Fighting Maroons. Yun o, ka-winners! Ito, support tayo dito sa ating barkada, best friend, brother. Isa pang ka-winners, Coach Sai. See you, ka-winners. Suporta tayo kay champion coach. National Squad champion, ha? National Squad champion, UP Cebu. Grabe ka, ha? Yan, ang UP Fighting Maroons. Actually, ano to yung team build. Parang pre-season to. Pero kalaban talaga ito. Ito, laban talaga itong UP Cebu. Ito pala yan, Pahusayan 2025. Inter-UP, first ever. Hello, Coach Sai.
Hello, mga ka-winners sa Cebu. Laban tayo, ha. Bisaya, laban tayo. UP Cebu.
Chancellor. Game time. Happy si Coach Romel. Flores, pangalawang free throw. Ayos. 7-0. Nice drop. Nice. Coach Sai giving extra instruction. Flores. Nice. Main first score. Rivero. Different coaches. Iba na. Ang foreign player. Start ng fourth quarter. Regroup din. Knockout play. Masuk mo. Ganyan na sa UP Cebu yan.
Guys, long hands lang. Kung makareceive dito lang. Tapos lahat dito black. But try to deny. Try to deny. Are we clear? But sometimes, pwede ka rin pag ano, whoever tao to, pag ano, try mo din. Pag may lumabas, kunin mo heads, tapos balik sa tao natin. Are we clear? Guys, just one stop. Make sure this will be our best defense. Are we clear? Go!
One stop, one stop. Champion ka na ulit, boss. Isipin mo ha, national squad, tsaka pahusayang UP ha. Good job. Ito, 10 seconds again. Stepping sa sideline pa rin ang edition. That's it. Yes, sir. Champion! Champion again! 5:59. Good job, good job, good job. Good job! Congratulations! Good job, coach! Champion, coach!
Thank you, coach.